Pan Arturas Drungilas przedstawi krótką charakterystykę portu w Klaipėdzie i jej znaczenie dla gospodarki Litwy.
Until I'm waiting for it, I'll just tell some words. Lithuania is, fortunately, is not landlocked country. We have access to the sea, and we work hard to utilize this access in the best manner for our economy. So, port, all in all, constitutes to more than 6% to our GDP. Therefore, it's very important how we develop and how we explore the opportunities we have. Klaipėda State Seaport Authority is a state company, and we are responsible for the port development, for port results, and port expansion. I came here to offer 4 intermodal solutions for One Belt, One Road initiative. First of all, Klaipėda Port traditionally is best situated to service East Europe and Scandinavia and Great Britain trade. So we have huge volumes moving, and we have Ro-Ro and container lines connected, dense network of connections, daily departures. Finally, presentation arrived, so port today. Today, hardly working, we achieved very good results. We are #1 port in Baltic Sea. We have, this year we will handle 42 million tons, and we are only behind 2 biggest Russian ports, Ust-Luga and Primorsk. And this is how we grew to this extent. You see average annual growth per year is 6.4%, which means that we are very highly competitive to grow in such big ratio over such long period. We did very heavy investment to achieve that, because gaining port from the Soviet Union times, we've got port which was half fishing harbor. Today, all port is rebuilt. We have 27 kilometers of quay walls which are completely renewed. And we are also working hardly with administrative procedures, in which we succeeded to introduce electronic customs clearance, which allows to our customers to clear goods automatically in half an hour if customs officer does not put a mark that he needs to check the goods. Goods are cleared automatically and electronically, paperless clearance. Also, this year we are introducing LNG bunkering. We have in our port LNG terminal, and this year we are completing construction of LNG bunker station, which will allow our users to bunker ships, not only ships, but also trucks for the land supplies. Trucks and ships too. So we are ready to new shipping demand. Third, we are considering ourselves as good hub port for container train express from China to Europe and backwards. We can supplement this train with back cargo to China. Today, for example, only fertilizers are loaded to 50,000 containers and sent back to China. 50,000 containers means more than 600 trains. So when we utilize, when the Klaipėda port is used for container trains shipment from Europe to China, it may be done through Šeštokai and Kaunas logistic terminal as an alternative for today's traditionally used corridor through Minsk, through Brest to Poland and down to all Europe. And today this corridor is becoming saturated. So alternatives through Kaunas and Šeštokai with possibility to load cargo backwards from Klaipėda port is a good solution for in line with today's initiative for call of intermodality on one belt, one road. And fourth, next to Minsk airport, China and Belarusian government is building big industrial park. The area was said to be larger than 11,000 hectares. Today, this park is partially built. It has 19 companies already registered, and traditionally, Klaipėda was the best port to suit Belarusian foreign trade. We have 14 million tons of Belarusian foreign trade moving through Klaipėda port. We are mostly competitive port for Belarusian foreign trade. Therefore, we consider that we can complement this huge industrial park with logistic solutions for raw material import and final product exports towards all over the world. And finally, we are building and expanding our port. We are now completing environmental impact assessment for dredging till 17 meters. Today we have 15, and we will accomplish it up to 2021. And also, we are completing master plan for the expansion, where water reclamation will take place on the south part, 80 hectares, and on the north part in open sea, we will reclaim about 130 hectares. So Chinese shipping companies and Chinese logistic companies are invited to conclude with us concession contracts when we are ready with the conditions. We assume that we are ready to start construction in 2021. Our government approved already this plan. So these were my offers for One Belt, One Road initiative, which highly includes intermodality. Thank you for your attention.